When a patient comes into your facility, what types of things are they taking note of? The front desk? The wait time? How knowledgeable the nurses and doctors are? What you might not know is they're considering small things like the cleanliness of the exam and treatment rooms, whether a light was out in the hallway or in the bathroom, and how hot or cold it was during their stay. All of these pieces factor into your unique environment of care, creating a feeling within the patient, whether good or bad. In today's healthcare world, patient care includes much more than actual medical outcomes. A patient's experience and satisfaction can hinge upon the very tasks that the maintenance department manages. Things like lighting, doors, obstructions, noise level, and missing or broken equipment can mean the difference between a satisfied patient and happy staff and a negative review or even injury. And with HCAHP's patient satisfaction survey results tied to Medicare reimbursements, there's even more at stake. From preventive maintenance for assets to completing work orders on time, your maintenance team plays a critical role in patient care. And it's time for you to get the recognition and resources you deserve to do your job well and contribute to your organization's success. Look out for our next video to learn how you can elevate your team and tie your work to patient safety and satisfaction.